2020's been a real interesting year for the printing industry, and a lot of people have been negative, obviously, the first few months here, but I'm one of the people that's optimistic about our industry. And I think coming out of COVID-19, I think we're going to have increased demand, and I think we're going to be in a better spot. I think the companies that have invested wisely in their equipment and the ones that are customer-centric are going to see the benefit in the back half of the year.
A big part of RMGT and the solutions they offer, coupled with LED, have allowed us to expand. In 2.5 years, we've grown 20%, we've become more efficient, and we've reduced our costs. And that's really the key to investing in the future. One of the reasons we went back to RMGT for another solution to our press room was because our 10 series did so well. We accumulated almost 90 million impressions in 2.5 years. As a result, we knew we had the durability, we knew we had the productivity, we knew we had the efficiency, and of course we knew we had the quality. So that only led itself to go back to RMGT and have them offer us another solution to fit into our product mix.
So people have asked us, why did we continue on with our investment in this kind of climate? And talking to my brother and my father and my industry peers, that we firmly believe that short-term problems in the economy or short-term issues from a strategic standpoint with COVID-19 shouldn't affect our long-term strategies. And we think that now investing is going to pay dividends not only at the end of this year, but going into 2021 and beyond.
Some of the things that we really liked about the machine is a small footprint, a reduction in labor because you don't need as skilled an operator nor as many operators. The material costs within the plates, your blankets, all those consumable costs are reduced by about 20 to 30%, which really makes us even more competitive in that same market space.
A few months ago, I was lucky enough to go to Fukuyama, Japan and see the RMGT plant, and it was beyond impressive. I had no idea that they were producing that amount of commercial litho presses. RMGT 9, RMGT 10 series, unbelievable automated manufacturing.
One of the areas that was important to us was being able to maintain and grow our portfolio of products that we can offer. The RMGT press, coupled with the LED, allows us to enter different markets and be more competitive, whether it's plastics, packaging, clear acetates, print embellishments. We can do them inline, we can do them cost effectively and efficiently. So going back to those solutions allowed us to not only maintain those products, but it gave us double the capacity.